ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng insertion, allocables, at ano pa ba
Yung
yun?
unprogrammed.
Program.
Oo, yung mga yan, pakidefine lang po. Kasi yung katulad ng insertion, ang tingin nila agad negative
Masama
agad
na agad eh.
O when in fact, alam ko, na part talaga ng proseso ng budgeting natin every year yan.
Yeah, okay. Tatlo yung ano mo, no?
Yes.
Tinatanong mo, insertion, allocable amount, allocables, at
Unprogrammed.
saka unprogrammed. Yung insertion, yes, tama kayo na ang insertion o tinatawag na may changes or adjustments. Okay. Hindi siya sinasabing na insertion. Adjustments being made by both houses, which is the Congress at saka Senate. Hindi naman siya masama because that's a process that they've been doing or year in, year out during the budget process. Okay? Even sa ano pa lang, sa Kongreso, mayroon silang adjustment na ginagawa in terms of how they want to. At the same time, with the Senate also, mayroon din ginagawa. At nakita nyo rin yung proseso during the BICAM.
Yes.
Mayroon mga changes na ginagawa dyan. Kaya hindi siya masama yung changes na ginagawa as far as the budget is concerned.